Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting comparison video for you, where we'll be taking a closer look at two remarkable mirrorless digital cameras, the Fujifilm X-T5 and the Canon EOS R8. These cameras are packed with incredible features, and we'll be diving into each category to see how they stack up against each other. So without further ado, let's jump right in. When it comes to image quality, both cameras deliver outstanding results. The Fujifilm X-T5 boasts a class-leading 40.2 megapixel X-Trans 5-hour CMOS sensor, capturing breathtaking details and vibrant colors. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R8 features a 24.2 million pixel CMOS image sensor and Digic X image processor, providing impressive image clarity and sharpness. Both cameras excel in this category, ensuring your shots are stunning and true to life. When it comes to ease of use and convenience, the Fujifilm X-T5 takes the lead. With its classic X-series design, the camera is equipped with dials that make it quick and easy to adjust essential functions like ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation. Plus, it features a new 3-way tilting LCD with 1.84 million dots, providing versatile framing options. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R8 offers a vari-angle touchscreen LCD with 1.62 million dots, allowing for flexible shooting positions and smooth operation. When it comes to autofocus, the Canon EOS R8 takes the spotlight. It features dual-pixel CMOS AFE with an impressive coverage of up to 100% by 100% area and 1053 AF zones. The camera utilizes deep learning technology for automatic subject detection, including people, animals, vehicles, aircraft, trains, and horses. In terms of video capabilities, both cameras shine. The Fujifilm X-T5 offers powerful in-body image stabilization, while the Canon EOS R8 supports uncropped 4K recording at up to 60 FPS, Full HD high frame rate recording at up to 180 FPS, and Canon Log 3 or HDR-PQ. Both cameras are perfect companions for both photography and videography enthusiasts. And that concludes our comparison. Both the Fujifilm X-T5 and the Canon EOS R8 are incredible mirrorless digital cameras, each with their own strengths and unique features. Whether you prioritize image quality, ergonomic design, or advanced autofocus capabilities, both cameras are sure to cater to your needs. We hope this video helped you in making an informed decision. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.